my identity card. Dear Mom and Dad, I'm having a great time in Machu Picchu. I asked the favor of another tourist take a picture. In this photo, we are higher level in front of Machu Picchu. We can appreciate splendor in this photo. Machu Picchu has three main buildings. These are the Intihuatana, the Temple of the Sun. In the room with the three windows, it really like Peru, especially culture in the rural tourism. The water is very nice because we have 1,004 of the meters from sea level. For this reason, we wear long pants and shorts. With you weirdest years. Love, Jhon. Thank you very much.